Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria and this is Gloria's Home of Skill. So guys, if you're a returning subscriber and a new viewer, thank you for watching. You are highly welcome in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. It will make my channel grow, and press the bell notification for more videos so that you'll be the first to get my video when next I post a new video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching how to make barbecue fish for dinner, so keep watching. So guys, these are the fishes, though I'm not going to make use of them at the same time. So I have already washed them. I was recording, I didn't know it was not recording the process. So guys, I've already washed it, so I'm going to say it with my mouth. So I use hot water to wash it. You can wash it up to 3 or 4 times, then rinse with cold water. Okay, so guys, you can use alum in case if you don't want to use hot water. If you can't resist the hotness of the water, you can use alum to wash your fishes. You know, fish used to have slimy parts, so you have to use alum or use hot water to wash it up and wash it with clean water. So guys, these are the ingredients for this recipe. This is ginger, onion, green pepper, red scotch bonnet pepper, and some tomato. I'm going to blend them. So guys, this is the tomatoes and the pepper mix I blended, so I added some vegetable oil into it. So now I'm going to cut it into small sections. I'm not going to cut it off, so keep watching.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So guys, why I gave it this type of cut is because I want the pepper mix to enter inside. So in here I have vegetable oil, fish spice, salt, and seasoning cubes.
Baby, it's just sweet.
So I'm going to put the sauce inside and outside, so to make it tasty. So after that I will fold.
You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me behind.
So guys, while I am folding the fish, please use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for more videos, please, so that you'll be the first to get my video when next I post. So guys, this is our fishes. So the pepper mix was not enough, so I blended more to add to it. So this is it. So the fishes are already in the oven. So this is me frying my french fries. So this is yam chips. So after that I'm going to cut the vegetable. I'm going to use cabbage. So cabbage and mayonnaise, that's what I'm using.
Jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up.
So after cutting it, I'm going to put it inside a bowl. add some mayonnaise into it, stir it and set it aside. So at this point, I'm waiting for the fish to be done.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you get me out there by your gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you get me feel.
So guys, our fish is ready, and this fish lasted in the oven for 20 minutes. So right now I'm going to add the yam chips, that is the french fries. They call it yam chips or french fries. Two of them are the same thing. So I'm going to put it by the side, then put the cabbage mix. I've already mixed the mayonnaise, so I'll put it by the side. So after that, I'll put some ketchup on top of the chips. So after that, I'll put some onion and some tomatoes. Then our fish is ready.
Oh, oh, oh,
So guys, if this video impressed you, please give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will make my channel grow. Please press the bell notification for more videos so that you'll be the first to get my video when next I post. So guys, even if it doesn't impress you, still subscribe to my channel. You're going to like the next one, okay? So please, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
my time.